Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So what we're offering this morning is a 1931 ABT Dutch pool trade stimulator. I've seen maybe a half a dozen of these over my career, and I think this is maybe the third one I've owned. These are super nice games. As you see, it is anatomically correct as a billiards table. They took a lot of time in building this thing. It's absolutely, totally cool. It's made out of solid walnut, anatomically correct. And what it is it's kind of like a pinball game in a pool table. Now remember, this is 1931, so it's getting up there on years, and it is a fully mechanical game. So it's 5 balls for a penny. So we're going to release the balls, give them some time to roll down. That's the way they work. Now they're at the bottom. And you get 5 balls for a penny, and you are going to try to get it in the highest score here. Now you would either bet with, you can make them go good, you can either bet with the house or bet against each other for the highest score. 5 balls. Has a beautiful thick piece of glass here, which somebody has replaced, but they did it correctly. It's beveled, it's the correct thickness, and in very, very nice shape. No scratches, no nothing, beautiful and clear. As you see, it has a beautiful casting here, all carved really, really nice, solid walnut. The other nice thing is it does have the original cash box in it, which extends the length of the machine for the pennies. When I ship this, I'm going to take the glass out and ship it separately, and these just pop out, okay? Then the glass comes out, slides in and out, and then these simply go here somewhere, and then they lock by the pins on the door. So this is a super nice 1931 ABT Dutch pool, solid walnut, handmade, just a gorgeous little piece of equipment, and this is actually a trade stimulator. So if you want it, I will be shipping it with the glass out, so that's why I've showed you how to put the glass back in. Just a super, super neat solid walnut trade stimulator, ABT 1931. This is a nice collectible game. Anyway, whoever gets it's going to enjoy it, and we'll get it shipped out to you. Thanks for watching our videos. How you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those 3 things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.